what is with these and their beach photos?
No thanks.
Before the Android fanboys come at me with, oh, Apple's copying what we've had for years. Yes, I know. Fully aware Apple is playing catch up when it comes to customizing your home screen. In fact, iOS 18 was a big leap forward when it comes to how you can personalize the appearance of your app. So I was curious what you guys out there are doing with your new home screen powers and asked you to send in yours. Now, Steve Jobs might turn in his grave at the sight of these, but we also might find some iOS 18 home screen masterpieces. Let's find out. I love this. This is like a cool photo. I bet you whoever's home screen this is, they took this photo. This little All Trails app is kind of hiding down there. I feel kind of bad. It's like left out from the party, but I don't hate it. Really minimalist down here. I don't mind it. Actually, I kind of like that the person just knows they have their camera, they have their Spotify. What else do they need? We have like a subtle green pattern going on. I like this. This gets a 4. This one's so boring. Generic beach, okay, cool, you work out. And why are all your apps hidden down there? Why? What's the point? You can't, I don't like that. No, there should only be 4 apps across the bottom. No folders on the bottom, okay? I think we can agree on that. I give it a 2. Oh God, what is with these bitches and their beach photos? Come on, no, this is bad, boring one. This honestly looks like anyone's phone. No, 1, no thanks. What's that emoji? It's like me watching this with my beach background. Okay, yo, I know I was just hating on the beach photos, but how could you hate this? It's like a sunset. Maybe it's like the daytime beach photos that are boring. This like sunset vibe, I want to be there. I love that, but it also could be helping that there's Pokemon Go app. You rock. Also, this baby's so cute, and look at that Duolingo streak, 881. You go, Glen Coco. Look, I know it's not the most creative, but I know I like the person behind this home screen, so I'm gonna give it a 3. Okay, this one's definitely better of the boring ones. This dog is like kind of ugly cute, you know what I'm talking about? Like, I can't hate the dog, but like, he's kind of ugly. Come on. Okay, no, he's cute. He's cute, guys. Please don't come for me, but like, you know what I'm trying to say. These apps are like pretty organized up here. I don't hate that. I think it's still kind of boring. I would love to know what this Laps app is. This whole thing is giving like really boring, but then they have this one app where they do like their secret drugs. Like that's what it looks like to me. It's like a hippie app. You get like the holographic thing. There's something going on in that Laps app. If you guys know what that app is, let me know. I'll give it a 3 because I'm intrigued. Also boring, 1. Okay, now we have a kitty cat. This kitty cat is so cute. What kind of cat is this called? You have a cat. Tuxedo cat? Is that a tuxedo cat? That's a cute kitty. I love the kitty. I wish, just like some notes, I would move some of these apps like around here to like frame the cat's face, but I like what you're going for. You have a cute background. That's really what's carrying this for you right now. Ooh, but folders right here. 3. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This one's good. This one's really good, you guys. Okay, I think we might have our first 5. These apps are all in the dark mode, which is nice. I think a few more apps still need to catch up to that. But what's really getting me about this is that the person made custom icons on the bottom with dogs, and there is a black lab. I think that's another black lab, and that is my favorite dog. So, automatic 5. Love it. Oh my God, what am I looking at? This is horrible. What? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Did I count that right? 17 folders on your homepage. What? Like some people will say, oh, I'm super organized. Like, oh, I have my little emojis next to them. I'm organized. But that is too many folders, girl, guy, person. Too many folders. And also you have 47 unread texts. Your friends must hate you. 1. It's Zelda. It's Zelda. I love the Echoes of Wisdom background. Taylor Swift again, love that. This is interesting, very aesthetic. I wonder if it's one of those things that's just like there because it looks cool. I'm doubting it actually serves any purpose, which that's okay. Things in life don't always need to serve a purpose to look good. These widgets are really cool. I love the transparent widgets. Can you guys let me know where I can get those? Because I've not seen them quite like that before. We're also using the color matched apps. Ooh, oh no, I really wanted to like this one, but they have the folders on the bottom, and I told you guys, I don't like the folders on the bottom. I think they look weird. Ooh, oh no. See, what I would do is I would move this there, this here, move one of these that you don't need to another page, bam, that would have been a 5, but I have to give you a 4. All right, that one's really boring. Ooh, whoa, I've never seen anything like this before. Are you guys seeing this? Wait, this is sick. It's like Wednesday with Thing and Halloween and spooky and bats and coffins and Care Bears. Not sure how they fit into here, but I love this. I've never seen people do, it's like a little bookcase, like shelves, but it's coffin shaped. That is so cool, and I love that they used the whole like black and white, you can color the apps, change the tint as part of iOS 18. This is what people should be doing with their apps. Is this spooky aesthetic for everyone? No, but I'm here for it. I love it. It's the right time of year. This is a 5. Another bookshelf. Wait, I'm totally gonna do this to my phone. Loving the bookshelf. I do think having these folders here kind of messes with the aesthetic. I don't know that this would be my vibe. I do see folklore, so maybe it's giving Taylor Swift. Oh, Evermore. Okay, I was starting to like not like this, but then I see the Taylor Swift references and it just went from like a 3 to a 5 in my book. Let's see, you have the essentials, calendar, clock, wallet, camera, settings. You know what? For my Taylor Swift fan, you get a 5. If you're liking this video, let me know your favorite fall time Taylor Swift song in the comments. Ooh, sterile. That's what I'm getting. I know this person like was trying to be really aesthetic, like ooh, black and white with like a little touch of purple and all the bookshelves things, but this is not my favorite implementation of the bookshelf style app layout. It's not horrible. I do see just some very generic looking apps, I guess, if you have the basics, but I don't know. I'm not inspired by this one. 3. If you're gonna do a bookshelf layout, it should be like fun and playful and like have some cute little knickknacks or little odes to Taylor Swift in there. Sorry, I really like the Taylor Swift one. But yeah, what are you doing? It's like you're halfway there, just do the whole thing. Yeah, no. 1, moving on. I'm gonna blur it out for privacy, but there's a really cute little girl here, and I love how all the apps are like framed around her. That's cool, that's creative. I think I might try something like that. We also have the dark mode apps and the big apps, all the marks that I've been looking for. A couple of messages, which means people are looking for them, that's good. Belly, I know this app. This is supposed to help you like find restaurants, and I'm a foodie, so I love that. This is gonna go 5 for me. 5. I feel like people are gonna debate that one, but the girl's really cute. Oh, okay, I have my first one that scares me. This is scary. This is a serial killer's home screen. I'm really scared. Like, what? Why are all your apps only there? There's nothing here. And there's only 3 apps down here. 3's a weird number to have down there. No, I don't like it. 1, only a serial killer can make their home screen this clean, not leave any crumbs around. They're an expert. They know what they're doing. Whoa, blue, blue, blue. You know what? If Tom's Guide, because of our Tom's Guide Blue, had a phone, it should look like this. I like that everything's matching. I can appreciate an aesthetic. I think it's kind of crazy to have a full color, one color monotone background. I didn't even know you could still make those. I thought like Apple automatically made it look more shadowy or something like that. So that's a little weird. I love Visco. I think I can tell what you were trying to do here, but it's just not, it's not doing what you think it is. That gets a 2. Ooh, this is cool. This is a really cool background. I would use that background. I think having the battery widget is awesome. This is things you need to know when you look at your screen. Are your AirPods charged? Is your watch charged? I like that. This is a nice weather app too. Calendar, only 1 folder on the home screen. You know I love to see that. These apps all look really nice and it looks like they were color matched to this really cool background. I can't see anything I don't like about this. This is nice. This is one of the best ones we've seen. This is a 5. For sure 5. No notes. Guys, another one where it's like all in the same spot and it's a beach, but this beach background I don't hate because this is like a cool shot from a drone. It's not like your basic little, I went to the beach today, guys, here's my picture. I guess we do have this widget up here that's kind of breaking it up. It's not as terrifying to me as the one from a few ago. It's good. I think I can see this person's vision more, so we're gonna give them a 4. More, 4. It rhymes. Perfect. And that is all of them. Thanks to everyone who sent them in, but let me know in the comments which one you thought was the best and which one you thought was the worst. After rating all of those home screens, I am equal parts scared and equal parts inspired, believe it or not. But if I had to choose one favorite, I think you guys can probably guess it. It would be this spooky season, Wednesday Addams, Halloween. It's just giving the right time of year for me. I might be a little biased because we're so close to Halloween right now, but I think it's the Twilight books and the Care Bear that really puts it over the edge. And they're using a lot of the great new features in iOS 18, like the option to have big apps without the text underneath, color code the app so that it matches an aesthetic, have apps in certain places so it fits really nicely, like on a bookshelf. Can you please send me this background so I can do this myself? Now for my least favorite, oh boy, there is so many to choose from. I really hated a lot of these. You guys didn't even see, I like skipped past. I couldn't even rate some of them, but it has to be this folder atrocity. We live in a day where you can have apps that are not in your folders, that they can just still be on your phone, but not bothering you. Like, how does this not stress you out? I see all of these folders and I'm like, wow, I have so many apps that I need to look at. I have so many apps that are getting in my way. How do you know what you have a notification for? I don't think that this is good for you, but I'm not an expert, so am I? No, I'm not an expert in this thing, so I just really don't like this. I'm going to bless you viewers with some other key takeaways. First, color matching and color coordinating your apps to your background is good, but your background has to be fire. Get a good photo, don't use your basic beach pic, get something really cool online. We saw some good ones there. Number 2, pets always work. No one will ever think anything negatively of your iPhone home screen if there's pets involved. I don't care if the pet is your background, I don't care if it's in the photo widget. Heck, make your dog the actual app icons beautiful. Mwah. Number 3, take advantage of cool widgets, whether they're from Apple or they're third-party ones. I really liked a couple that had some transparent backgrounds, others that just are showing that they're gonna help you a little bit with your life, whether it's with the weather, your calendar, and yes, even your Duolingo streak. That's awesome. You guys, just because I've already shot this video doesn't mean I don't want to still see your home screens. I'm personally still looking for the perfect layout for mine, so be sure to send me yours if you think it's a masterpiece. And in case you're still figuring out what's good with iOS 18, I know it can be difficult to navigate a new software update. Don't worry, I've linked the ultimate guide to every iOS 18 upgrade in the description. Obviously not a requirement for iOS 18, but I will say it plays especially nice with the new iPhone 16 lineup. So if you're curious to know what's in store there, go check out our review video and our comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. I had a lot of fun with this style of video, so let me know if there's anything you'd want to see me rate or roast next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. I wrote 5 on that too, just because of how much I love it. I drew the coffin as I said the coffin, so I think that'll be good, right?